In this video, I will show you how to export Google Keep Notes. So first, open up Google Keep. If you're on a computer like I am, just go to keep.google.com and log into your account. Next, click on Take a Note and type in whatever you want. This works with both new and existing notes. Once you're done, click the three dots on the bottom right corner of the note. A little drop down will show up. Just select Copy to Google Docs. After that, you will see a small pop-up at the bottom of the screen that says something like Open Doc. Go ahead and click that. It will open up your note in Google Docs. From there, just go to the top left and click on File. Then head to Download. You will see different options like PDF, Word, or just choose whatever format works best for you. And that's how you export Google Keep Notes.